Teresa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project share for you. It's inspired by a video tutorial that Rosa Kelly did of Rosa Kelly's scrapbooking. If you don't currently subscribe to her channel, you really should. She's an amazing paper crafter, so please go check this out. So this is what I made. I used this paper pad that I recently reviewed on my channel called the Avenue. It's a hot buy paper pad from Michaels that just came out, and it is lovely. On the front cover, I kept it kind of simple. The way this book is designed, I wanted it to lie flat, so there's not too much dimension, but just enough to add some interest. I added a little bit of matte silver cardstock to kind of highlight, add some interest. A couple eyelets. This ribbon is from Offray. I picked that up at Joann's. Thought it was cute and went nicely with the papers. These flowers were from my stash. I believe they were from Prima, and I've got flowers throughout the book as well. This is a cut apart from the collection. This is You Are My Home and Adventure All at Once. Thought that was pretty cute. And this was a very easy album to construct. It does have a ribbon closure. That's something that I added that wasn't in the tutorial, but I recently picked up a We Are Memory Keepers eyelet setter, so I've been having fun using that. Okay, let's get right into it. So these are the first two pages. I think this paper is just beautiful. I really enjoyed working with it. All of these pages have half-inch gussets, so you can build up some dimension on the page. These are just kept kind of simple, with pictures in mind. This 4 1/4 by 4 1/4. The mat on there, so it gives you an idea. 4 by 4 picture would be beautiful, and you would still see some of that. And this is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And so perfect for 4 by 6 pictures. And I kept the same format throughout. So it's just really simple. It would be very easy to complete this, you know, with pictures and add your own embellishments, 3D embellishments, whatever you want. So fun. This is the next page. Lots of beautiful colors in this collection. It's got a more, I think, modern kind of farmhousey flair, which I really liked. This again is a little tuck spot, so you can put your picture right in behind. Another flower from my stash. Again, more flowers from my stash. I love the way all of these papers go together, but they're so different in the colorway. Everything is very subtle, and I just think it worked nicely. I did matte this on gold because I thought that was pretty. And another little tuck spot from the collection. This is Stay Cozy. I thought that was super cute. And again, just more, you know, of the same kind of layouts, pointing out that half-inch gusset in each one so that when you close these, it's not going to smash the flowers. There's plenty of room, so you can just have an idea of the kind of space that is available for you to put your own touches on these pages. Another one. I'm a lover of plaid. I'm a lover of a lot of things. I don't even know if I have a style. I like it all. But I love to mix and match. I mean, like the floral and the plaid, I thought that was a really fun combination. And this is so cute. My happy place is with you. I just love that. And the last page is here. Life is lovely. Another little tuck spot. Flower from my stash. And that's it. This is the back cover. So, I mean, you can see that the construction of this is very simple. Again, it went together really fast, and I thoroughly enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, please try it for yourself. Check out Rose's tutorial. It's super easy to follow. You're gonna love it. And you can use any papers in your collection. However, this one I highly recommend. It was just a lot of fun to work with, and I've got a lot left for more projects. So please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I do post more videos, which will be soon, that you don't miss out. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.